Hi, in this video I want to talk briefly about how we can have a menu. So in this HTML code it will be this menu div that sticks to a certain position in the screen no matter how far you scroll. So we've got all these paragraphs here you can see within our text div that will allow us to scroll in this example. And we're really just going to use two selectors, menu, and we're also going to use the class selector for the text. And we probably won't even use that. So probably just a menu one actually. So really quickly, what we're going to use is we're going to use the position attribute. But before that, we want to make it so we can see our menu div. So we'll give it a background color. And I'll choose green, and we'll give it a height and width. So height, 100 pixels, and width, we'll give it 100%, let's say. We'll just make it go all the way across the screen. This is common for menus, is sometimes you want them to stick to the top. So how do we get this so that it sticks to the top and it goes all the way across the top here? It doesn't have this little space here. So we can scroll and it'll stay right there. So a couple of things are important. First of all, it's going to need a position. So we'll do position. We're going to use that first fixed. So this will say wherever it is, it should stay there. And as you can see, it's already staying there as we scroll. But it's got kind of this weird property where the text is going below it. So we can worry about that here, but we're mostly worried about the bulk of this video will be really about how we get this up here. So we'll say top is 0 pixels, and that put it exactly at the top here. And we'll say left is, 0 pixels. So put it exactly over here, and since it's 100% of the screen width, it goes exactly over here. This is exactly what we wanted. Now also, I just want you to see what would happen if we did this. If we absolutely position it, see what happens here. So if we absolutely position it, then it still covers this text, so it still ignores a sort of normal position within the flow of the document. The difference is that when we scroll, it doesn't stay there. So it's relative to the overall document, it's not relative to the viewport. Also, if you put relative in here, see, it actually does basically what it would have done in the beginning here. So we'll want to stick with fixed. The next thing we should do is we want to figure out, well, how do we get text right here not to allow the text to be overlapped? And if we're 100% confident that this is always going to be up here, the easiest thing to do is to look at its height and its top. So from the 0 pixel point, it goes down 100 pixels. Then we can say here margin top. So the div's margin top will make 100 pixels. As you can see here, that fixed that.